Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use AI Writing Assist on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Writing Assist is an AI option that lets you, for example, change the tone of a message that you've written, for example, an email, or change the formatting, stuff like that. I think it's pretty useful. Let's go to, for example, the Notes app, but it works in other apps as well. Let's open it. Okay, let's just go through that. Okay, and now let's write something. So I'll write it first, then I'll show you what to do. Okay, now above the keyboard on the left side, you'll see these stars, which is the logo of Samsung AI. Now you can change spelling and grammar, writing style, or do a composer. Let's do writing style first. It'll start rewriting it, and this is the original way. Then you can go to professional and see the professional version or the casual one. You can also select that, or go to social for social media. Of course, that isn't for social media, but if you're doing something for social media, I think that would be great, like post, for example. Then a polite version, emojify, and stuff like that. Emojify is quite great for some people that like emojis. I will select professional. Let's replace it, and you can see it is there, right? It's really great. Now let's test out the other option, the composer. Click here, then click composer, then start by writing. You can select standard, email, social media, or comment, and professional, casual, or polite. I will select professional, and I will select email. Now I'll just create a prompt here and we'll generate it. Okay, you can see the letter amount is limited to just 125, which is quite small, but most things can be fit within that limit. Let's generate it, and yeah, you can see it is here. So it's great, right? You can insert it, you can copy it, you can also refresh it to try again. I think the refreshed version is a bit better. And yeah, this is how it works, so it's great. Now let's go to the last one with the grammar, so I'll just write something with bad grammar. Okay, it was a pain for me to write something like this, but let's click here, then spelling and grammar, and yeah, you can see it is changed right now a little bit. Yeah, I'm not really I don't really understand why some things weren't changed that I was expecting it to change, but okay, it's fine. Besides this, I believe that it should be if you want, but never mind that. It's still better. It has the commas, it has the and it has the dot at the end. So I think that's great. I hope that the video was enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.